Hey guys, and thanks for stopping by. Today on the episode of Hanging Out with an Entrepreneur, we are taking care of the grocery list. So I decided to bring you guys along just in case you needed to pick up some things as well. So that's where we are. We are going in Publix, knocking off this to-do list, and yeah. Let's just grab us a cart real quick, because while I'm in here, I've been hearing a lot of people talk about this crayon tropical juice. So if they have it in here, I'm definitely gonna get it. Ooh, it looks like they got it. So I'm gonna give it a try and see what it's hitting on. All right, so you definitely got to get some mushrooms, honey, with some of these peppers right here, because those two ingredients right here go so well with these sausages. I tell you, smoked apple and sage. And let's head over here and get some OJ, because who knows, we just may need us a little mimosa a little bit later. So yeah, we're gonna grab that and then head over here to the produce section, because we all know that Publix is known for the top tier produce section, honey. Yes, and the choices are endless. Look at these plums, they so sweet. They are so sweet. And then before we leave, I needed to grab some salmon too. I don't know about y'all, but I love me some fresh salmon. So that's what we grabbed right here. Just getting it all weighed up so we can head up out of here and get over to the checkout section. All right, so now it is time to go. We have done enough shopping. It's time to get all backed up, checked out, so we can head back to the house and think of what we need to do next. But I have definitely enjoyed hanging out with y'all here. And yeah, wait a minute now. So it looks like I done double bagged some stuff here. Let me just see. Wait a minute. Let me call one of these employees over here. All right, we all good. So it's definitely time to go though, because we've almost spent $200 up in here. So like I was saying, thank y'all for coming out, hanging out with me. It has been a pleasure hanging out with y'all. I hope I can catch y'all in the next one. So until then, peace.